He's right in front of me, but all right. Ready? Could have ran too, so. Damn it, Jim. Come on. I would have shot right over your head damn near. God damn it.
You said you weren't going to hurt me.
Hey, you just want me to leave her? I think I got that one. Gus is pouncing on it. I know already. I don't think I've. I know.
You know how that goes. Pretty awesome that both of them were the roosters.
Yeah, for sure. Yesterday or the other day. Yeah, they were nice looking.
Yeah. This is how it will go though. Usually when we get that good in the beginning, then the rest of the field is dead. Now stop, now stop.
It's not being very positive, damn it. It's over. We've seen our birds for the day. I think that they're looking for it.
Man, I tell you, those things are such runners, aren't they?
Oh yeah, big time. Did you find it? You think that was me?
I think you hit it first. Said he hit it first.
I didn't have a very good, like, shoulder my gun very well.
You got it?
I found it.
Pick it up.
No. Pick it up. You got gloves on. Oh God, he's still alive.
Hey, he's probably running around.
He's right here.
I see him.
Yeah, he's still alive. Oh, he got his head. He's like really alive. Hey, I know. I couldn't believe
That's a nice looking one.
It is very nice looking.
Didn't get hit that hard, huh?
No,
Now don't twist its head off.
I won't. I'll just kill it.
Fetch it up! We got Gus on her. Which way are you gonna go with this? Yeah, because it should almost be between him and Gus. Good shot! You even got it on this side of the fence. Dad, it's breasted. Well, I think they're only partially to blame. I'm not saying anything, but you pushed that bird pretty hard with your
Whoa. Whoa. And whoop, whoop, whoop. All right. Touch it up. Fetch. All right. Gus. Here. Here. Fetch. Fetch. Here. Mine. Mine. Way to tail the tail feather off, prick.